The new Kuhn SW 4014 Bale Wrapper is a state-of-the-art agricultural machine designed to provide farmers with a fast and efficient way to wrap hay or straw bales. This machine is built to handle bales of different shapes and sizes, and it can wrap them in a variety of different materials, including plastic and netting. The Southwest 4014 features a heavy-duty frame that is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use on the farm. The frame is constructed from high-strength steel and is powder-coated to resist corrosion and other forms of damage. At the heart of the Southwest 4014 is a high-capacity wrapping system that can handle up to 40 bales per hour. The system is driven by a powerful hydraulic motor that provides reliable and consistent performance, even under heavy loads. The wrapping system includes a dual satellite arm design that provides excellent coverage of the bales. The arms are capable of rotating 360 degrees, which allows them to wrap bales of different shapes and sizes with ease.